Hi, this is Christina with WTI. Have you been searching for a new knife set but just haven't found the right one yet? Well, here's the Marco Almond Rainbow Knife Set, and I love these knives. So I love them for so many reasons. First off, I love them because they're so sharp and can cut through anything. I haven't needed to sharpen them yet, and I've had them for a bit now. They are just perfect for cutting through any fruit, vegetable, that might be challenging. These knives can take on the job. So they're just perfect, but I also love the look to them. They have this really pretty rainbow look, just that makes them so unique. They stand out from other knife sets that I've had in the past, and they just give your kitchen a little extra pop that it might be missing. So if you're looking for a new knife set that's just fun, makes you want to spend more time in the kitchen, I think you're going to really enjoy these knives, but that's just my point of view.